IPL मध्ये 3 खेळाडूंना अटक करण्यात आली.
Trousers, or you spend some time setting the field and give indications to the players, and or take out your locket or chain from your shirt, or take out both the shirts and the vest that you are wearing. So these kind of indications were to be given by the players, following which they had to deliver the over and give away a predetermined number of runs, minimum number of runs. Now what I intend to do is that I would ask my colleague, DCP Special Cell, Mr. Sanjeev Yadav, to give you a gist of the conversation between the bookies and the players or the go-betweens, and then show you the video clips of what followed. Now the first instance that came to our notice pertains to a match which was held in Jaipur between Pune Warriors and Rajasthan Royals on the 5th of May 2013. In this match, as already agreed upon, Ajit Chandila gave 14 runs in the second over of his spell. However, he forgot to give the predetermined signal, as a result of which the bookies could not bet in this match. This led to a lot of arguments and demand for return of the money advanced to the player, Ajit Chandila. 20 lakhs were advanced to him and 20 more lakhs were to be delivered. So the money that was advanced to him, he had to return because he forgot to give the signal that he was expected to give.
थैंक यू सर. दोस्तों, जैसा मैं सीपी साहब ने बताया, जयपुर में 5 मई को राजस्थान रॉयल और पुणे वरीज के बीच जो मैच हो रहा था, उसमें प्लेयर अजीत चंदेलिया और अमित, एक बुकी है, इनके बीच का एक कन्वर्सेशन मैं बताना चाहूँगा. इस कन्वर्सेशन में अजीत चंदेला अपने सिग्नल्स को बताता है कि मैं ओवर से पहले किस तरह के सिग्नल्स दूंगा. इसके कन्वर्सेशन संक्षेप में है कि भाई, हाँ बताओ भाई, हाँ भाई मुझे जाने दो, मैं सिग्नल दे दूंगा. पहला ओवर तो जाने दो, मैं देख लूंगा. ये अजीत कहता है कि पहला ओवर जाने दो, उसके बाद मैं देख लूंगा और अपने से सिग्नल दूंगा. बोला भाई, कॉन्फिडेंस से पहला ओवर करना और फिर कॉन्फिडेंस से ही दूसरे ओवर में हमारे लिए करना. तो बोला कि ठीक है करूंगा. भाई इंडिकेशन क्या दोगे? इस पे अजीत चंदेला ने बताया कि भाई मैं अपनी दोनों टी शर्ट ओवर से पहले, ओवर शुरू करने से पहले अपनी दोनों टी शर्ट ऊपर उठाऊंगा और उसके बाद फिर नीचे करूंगा और फिर मैं ऊपर की ओर देखकर अपना ओवर शुरू करूंगा. ये इंडिकेशन अजीत चंदेलिया ने दिया. ये कन्वर्सेशन में इनकी बात आई कि इस तरह का इंडिकेशन इनको देना है, लेकिन अजीत चंदेला ओवर शुरू करने से पहले ये इंडिकेशन देना भूल गए. इस कन्वर्सेशन से पहले इनका ये डिसाइड था कि ये अपने ओवर के सेकंड स्पेल में 14 रन देंगे, 14 या 14 से उससे ज्यादा देंगे. इंडिकेशन भूलने के बावजूद उन्होंने अपने ओवर में 14 रन दिए. इसकी एक क्लिपिंग मैं दिखाना चाहूंगा.
Warriors have won the toss here in Jaipur. Slips back down the leg side, and it might have been a leg by. I'm not sure if he got any bat on this. Yes, runs given. Well, this is the 4 from Aaron Finch, the first boundary of the innings. It's just strained down that leg side, Chandler. He's got to get that line right with the ball. It's a more preferred option as well, the sweep shot. He's going to bowl that line, he should have a man back on the sweep and bring the man at long on up and say, well, you've got to take a bit more of the risk. You're right, it's just the line for the field is poor. 21 on the board, and that's too short, and there's no one out there. Sri Chandala is wayward. Good batting too. Using the crease very well here. Robin Uthappa, this occasion, he gets right back in the crease. A little bit leg side to find that gap on the offside. Good batting. Sweep. One through the offside as well. Well, this Uthappa-Finch opening pair is the most successful opening partnership in IPL, in Pepsi IPL 2013. Before today, they scored 397 runs at an average of 44 for the partnership, with 4 stands of 50 plus. So it really has worked at the top for Pune, and you have to ask why it is unraveled towards the end. The rest of it's been all...
दोस्तों, जैसा स्कोर बोर्ड पे दिख रहा है कि इनकी 5 बॉल हो चुकी है और 10 रन ऑलरेडी जा चुके हैं। ये लास्ट बॉल अजीत चंदेला करेंगे।
Comes down to the middle order. They've been poor. Bowling options at the death. Their bowling options have been woeful, to say the least.
He's really not bowling very well here, Chandala. And that's yet another boundary for Pune. They got 30 from 3. Now the second match in which spot fixing took place is the one which took place on the 9th of May 2013 at Mohali. This was a match between the Rajasthan Royals and Kings 11 Punjab. In this match, it was decided that Srishant will put a towel in his trousers before bowling the second over of his spell, and also give enough time to bookies to indulge in heavy betting. As decided, Srishant bowled the first over without wearing a towel. In the second over, he put a towel in his trousers, and then, in order to give bookies time to indulge in betting, he did some warming up, some stretching exercises, and then went on to give 13 runs. You will hear snatches of the transcript, followed by the first over and then the second over.
9 मई 2013 को जो मैच हुआ, इसमें श्रीशांत को इन बुकी लोग ने बुक किया था अपने ओवर के लिए। इसमें श्रीशांत के जो फ्रंट पर रहने वाला एक शख्स जो कि अरेस्ट हुआ है, जीजू नाम का आदमी है, उसकी और एक चांद जो बुकी है, इनके आपस का कन्वर्सेशन है, जिसमें ये डिसाइड हो रहा है कि श्रीशांत अपने स्पेल के दूसरे ओवर में 14 रन या 14 से ज़्यादा देगा और इसके लिए इंडिकेशन देगा। इसमें उसने कहा कि भाई सिग्नल देना। सिग्नल क्या होगा? बोला मैंने बता दिया है, ऐसा कोई काम नहीं करेगा जो अनयूजुअल हो। मतलब श्रीशांत ऐसा कोई काम ऐसा नहीं करेगा जो अनयूजुअल हो। वो अपने दूसरे ओवर में एक टॉवेल अपने आगे लगाएगा। ये इंडिकेशन ऐसा होगा जो कि इस मैच में वो हमारे अनुसार ओवर करने जा रहा है। तो चांद बोलता है कि भाई उसको समझा देना कि जिस समय ये ओवर करने जा रहा होगा और ये टॉवेल लगाएगा, उस टाइम में वो ओवर शुरू करने से पहले वो कुछ टाइम हमें देगा ताकि हम अपना काम शुरू कर सकें। वो स्पेल थोड़ा सा टाइम चाहिए होगा ताकि हमारे काम चालू हो और हम अपनी बुकिंग चालू कर सकें। इस संबंध में मैं 2 क्लिपिंग दिखाऊंगा, जिसमें पहला ओवर जो है, जिसमें श्रीशांत जो ओवर कर रहे हैं उसमें बिना टॉवेल लगाए हुए ओवर कर रहे हैं।
Game for Marsh and Gilchrist, 2 left-handers. Both have had ups and downs throughout the season, Gilchrist especially.
ये देखिए, इसमें श्रीशांत अपने रनअप पे हैं और बिना टॉवेल लगाए हुए, जहां पर इनका राइट हैंड है, ये अगले ओवर में यहां पर टॉवेल लगाई दिखाई देंगे।
mild when it hit him in the chest.
Srisan. Perhaps not sufficient room for Marsh to cut.
Good work this by the Rajasthan Royals. They've started well. Chandila got a wicket in the first over, had a bit happening in the second. Well, this throw from Faulkner hurt Gilchrist, who was trying to get out the way. And then Chandila straight away took the bails, took them off, so Gilchrist was out of his ground. How's that, umpire? Gilly wasn't impressed. He started coming over to have a word. And then he said, oh, no, sorry, I'm only joking. Sorry. Shot. Very good shot for four. Similar to the one Gilchrist played in the same area. This time it's Shaun Marsh. A good surface, really does. If you air and pitch too full, you're going to get hurt. Good drive from Marsh. Again too full from Srisan. Got to find the right length. But Rail Driver came in very quickly just to diffuse anything that was building with that appeal from Chandila on Gilchrist and said no. Straight away, we're not appealing for that.
Changing the field now after those two drives. Fine legs come up and he square leg out. There's Erd full again, and the change in the field would have been just to settle Srisan with the field set as it was before. Perhaps his thinking would have been not to err short, not to try and hit back of a length, but to err fuller. He's gone through the field on the offside, and Dravid saying to him, okay, you can go back of a length. And if they look to pull you, if you miss and you're a bit shorter, you've got cover in the deep. Got to be straight, though. Because if he's not, it'll go through the offside. Both these players don't mind the cut. There you go, there's that short one. It's well bowled, well directed. And certainly didn't control it at all. Spliced him.
Unusual to see Shaun Marsh hurried up with the short delivery. He usually plays it so well. Coming from Perth, Western Australia, on a hard, fast whacker pitch. He's used to the ball up around the chest hip area. So you might say Srisan got away with that. Just got to be careful that it's a surprise and doesn't become the stock standard delivery.
It was the right height. I think that was the key. It was the right height. Tough to control.
Shot again, and this time been put away. It's Gilchrist this time. He gets it away for four. Well, once is lucky, two's a mistake, and it's a second delivery straight after the short one to Marsh. Gilchrist loves it. He built his reputation.
दोस्तों, जैसा इसमें इस रनअप पे आप देखेंगे सीसन के टॉवेल लगी हुई है, ये इंडिकेशन इनको पहले ही बताया गया था और इनने कमिट किया था कि मैं इस तरह का इंडिकेशन करूंगा और उस ओवर में मैं 14 से ज्यादा रन दूंगा.
On deliveries like this, short, not high enough, and Gilly will eat those day in, day out.
The third match, which was last night, was in Mumbai. This was a match between Rajasthan Royals and Mumbai Indians. Here, Ajit Chandila was not playing, and he was acting as a go-between the bookies and a player called Ankit Chavan to take rupees 60 lakhs for 1 over and perform as per the direction of the bookies. He was asked to give at least 13 runs, if not more, in the second over of his spell. He gave 2 runs in the first over, and in his second over, he was hit for a 6 on the first ball, 2 runs on the second ball, and another 6 on the third ball, after which he controlled his bowling and gave 1 more run in the remaining 3 balls. In all, he gave 15 runs in his second over.
पंद्रह तारीख के जो कल मैच हुआ था, इसमें अजीत चंदेलिया ने अंकित चौहान इन प्लेयर को दिन भर मोटिवेट किया और इनका आपस में कन्वर्सेशन हुआ और जो बुकीज हैं उनके बीच कन्वर्सेशन हुआ और उसमें ये डिसाइड हुआ। अंकित ने कहा, अच्छा भाई मैं निकल आया हूं, बाहर हूं। बोला अच्छा ठीक है, मैं यस कर दूं ना? ये अजीत कह रहे हैं कि मैं यस कर दूं ना बुकी को? बोला हाँ, वही जो कितना बताया था। बोला वो 12 कह रहे थे। तो कहता कि नहीं ये तो ज्यादा लग रहा है, इतने नहीं हो पाएंगे। बोला नहीं, मैंने बोल दिया है, हो जाएगा। अरे मैंने बोल दिया, चलो ठीक है, मैं डन कर दूं ना? तो उन्होंने बोला हाँ ठीक है कर दो। इन्होंने बोला मैंने 60 बोल दिया है उनको, मींस 1 ओवर के 60 लाख रुपए। बोला मैंने 60 बोल दिया है उनको और डन हो गई ये बात। बोला हाँ ठीक है। तो बोला कोई इंडिकेशन देना है? इस कॉल में उन्होंने अपनी इंडिकेशन बताई थी कि मैं रिस्ट बैंड को अपने मूव करूंगा, लेकिन बाद की सब्सिक्वेंट कॉल में ये डिसाइड हुआ था कि अपने सेकंड ओवर में कोई भी स्पेल हो, चाहे पहले बॉलिंग हो या सेकंड बॉलिंग हो, अपनी बॉलिंग के सेकंड ओवर में ये 14 या 14 से ज्यादा रन देंगे। इसने बताया कि चाहे पावर प्ले हो में ओवर मिले तो भी 14 रन देना है अपने सेकंड ओवर में, और चाहे उसके बाद के ओवर मिले, 9वें 10वें ओवर मिले, उसमें भी हमें उतने ही रन देने हैं। बोला बाकी ठीक है और बाकी चीजें मैं अपनी बीवीएम पे बात करूंगा। इस संबंध में 2 क्लिपिंग हमारे पास है, जिसमें अंकित चौहान का पहला ओवर ये इनिंग की शुरुआत करते हैं और बहुत ही अच्छा बेहतरीन ओवर करते हुए इन्हें सिर्फ 2 रन दिए हैं इस ओवर में।
But perhaps it's because he bowls that, too often you look for the error or the negative in the side that loses, and sometimes you forget just to say well played. And Pollard it was not brutal, it was very, very skillful what he did. So I don't think Tom Moody came down too hard on his charges. Interesting stroke early on in the innings. End of the first over.
इस ओवर में इन्हें सिर्फ 2 रन दिए थे और बहुत अच्छी बॉलिंग की थी। अगले ओवर में
Maxwell's having a go. Pulled away and all the way from Glenn Maxwell. It's a good shot that. Went really deep into his crease. Glenn Maxwell, it was ever so slightly short, and he was going to make sure that it would go out the ground. Timed it well enough, and that's gone. They've been waiting for a start like this, the Mumbai Indians. Goes again. Work to be done by Pollard. We'll cut it off. They'll get through for 2. Kevon Cooper, excuse me, they look the same. Both 6 for 20. Now they're both from Trinidad. Now look at the previous. Over the end of it. Third man just doesn't go. Slip bails out, so does backward point because it's his catch. Don't bother running after that one.
दोस्तों यहाँ इन्हें 3 बॉल में 14 रन दे दिए थे। इनका टास्क पूरा हो गया था और इसके बाद अगली 3 बॉलों में इन्हें सिर्फ 1 रन दिए।
It was Ankit Chavan who was that third man and didn't go for the catch. He could have had Maxwell sitting in the hutch. Instead, he's got a bowl at him, and this is the treatment he's getting. He's getting sent out the park regularly. He's going to try and hit every single ball up the ground. Drive past it. Sanity ends the over.
दोस्तों यहाँ पर जिस ओवर के फेंके जाने के बाद अजीत चंदेलिया जो एक प्लेयर हैं और एक बुकी मन्नान, इनके बीच आपस में एक कन्वर्सेशन होता है कि भाई खुश हो गए सेठ जी ना? हाँ मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। ठीक है बताओ क्या करना है? बोला सेशन खत्म हो जाए फिर बात करता हूँ। सुना सामान अंकित के लिए? हाँ हाँ मैं उससे हाथ में सामान नहीं जाना चाहिए। ये अजीत चंदेलिया कह रहे हैं उससे हाथ में सामान नहीं जाना चाहिए, बात मेरे थ्रू हुई तो जो भी सामान जाएगा वो मेरे थ्रू जाएगा। ठीक है जैसा आप कहेंगे मैं वैसा ही करूंगा, ये बुकी ने कहा। मतलब जो सामान जाना था वो अजीत चंदेलिया के पास जाना था, उसके बाद अंकित के पास जाना था। इस तरह का कन्वर्सेशन हुआ। थैंक यू सर।
Our team was present in all these matches. One of the reasons why they were present was because those signals were given could have been given during the commercial breaks also. So to keep track, our people were watching the match. And last night, our team was camping in Mumbai, and soon after the match, a decision was taken. We gave the clearance to go ahead, and in the early hours, Srishant, Ajit Chandila, and Ankit Chavan were arrested, and so were the bookies from different parts of the country. Srishant was arrested on Carter Road in Mumbai. Ajit Chandila in front of Hotel Intercontinental. Ankit Chavan in Hotel Trident, Mumbai. Then Amit Kumar, he is a bookie from Gujarat, Ahmedabad. He was staying in room number 336 of Hotel Intercontinental, Mumbai. Then Manan, room number 336, Hotel Intercontinental, etc., etc. The details are given in the press release that you will be given after the press conference. Some of you may be wondering, how did it all start? It was an information that we had that the Mumbai underworld is indulging in match fixing or spot fixing, and they are contacting a number of bookies, and some players are mixed up. So we are keeping them under surveillance. The names of these three players came to light, and we waited for a situation in which all three of them could be pinned down. And it was only last night that Ankit Chavan, delivered on his promise, after which we made the arrest. There is a case we have registered under 420 and 120B, which is for conspiracy. Now I open the house for questions.
So I'm from the Australian newspaper. My name is Amanda Holt.
I will answer every question, but please have patience. Yes.
I'm from the Australian newspaper. There's been some talk today that Sean Tate, one of the Australian players who also plays for the Rajasthan Royals, is implicated in this spot fixing scandal as well, and may have been found with a large volume of money in his hotel room. Can you confirm whether that is the case, whether he is under investigation, and whether he's likely to be arrested?
Are you an Australian? You would be happy to know that we have no such evidence, no such news. So Sean Tate, according to us, is not involved.
So who contacted these players? Initially, who contacted these players to get into spot fixing? Someone must have contacted them. Which bookie or someone representing the bookie? Who contacted any of these players?
See, this is not something which happens overnight, and this does not happen at the behest of one person or a handiwork of one man. it is done over a period of time. So we do not know who exactly started the whole thing. But I'll tell you by experience, because I was in the CBI when the match fixing inquiry was done. These people, the bookies, they spot talent, spot vulnerable people who can be compromised, and they work over a period of time. It doesn't happen just overnight. So the investigation that we have done, it is by sheer coincidence that only 3 players belonging to one team have come in our net, or shall we say on our radar. We cannot say that it is not happening in other teams, or it is not happening in other cities. It is not happening, it has not happened in earlier matches. We cannot say with any amount of certainty. But in this investigation, only these 3 names have come.
Sir, this is Panini Anand here from Outlook magazine. I just want to know that, this side, sir. Hello. I just want to know that you were tracing the communication details of these bookies and players. Did you find any evidence, any phone recording or communication between the team owners and the players or the bookies?
No, none whatsoever.
And sir, here sir, from your left sir. Sir, do we have any, as of now, do we have any established connections between any of these bookies who are directly connected with Underworld? And sir, has Anti-Corruption Bureau of this BCCI informed you about this things happening and all that?
No. It is the other way around. We have informed the IPL management about what has happened.
And sir, the Underworld thing, as of now, do we know any connections through these bookies?
Yes, we do know.
And,
but I mean, surely you won't expect me to reveal those connections.
Excuse me, sir, Neeru Bhatia from The Week magazine. Just wanted to check whether the bookies which have been arrested or they have been under the scanner during these investigations are also ones who have already been under the scanner of various crime branch, either Bombay, Ahmedabad or Delhi. Any names, the big ones that you can share with us?
From memory, I don't recall that they had any past, associations, but they may be having. Maybe some police forces already know about them, but we didn't know. We came to know.
Sir, I have 2 questions. Is Srishant the central point of all these dealings? And another one is, Srishant family alleged that there is a conspiracy from Mahendra Singh Dhoni and Harbhajan Singh is involved in this. Is it right or not? These are the 2 questions.
It is totally wrong. Mahendra Singh Dhoni did not put the towel in his trousers.
Sir,
Neeraj, can I ask a question?
Sir, Neeraj.
उनको माइक दीजिए.
Sir, is Srishant the central point of all these dealings among these 3?
No.
Sir, this one guy Jiju who has been arrested, is he an old friend of Srishant? Like I was told he has also played for Karnataka for some time. Sorry, Kerala for some time. Also, I want to know about the modus operandi. You said modus operandi was they were contacting over phones, but bookies, were they going to stadiums also? Like for every match, they were playing these players, Ankit, Ajit and Srishant.
Some of them were going, and we were keeping track, because you see, when we nabbed them, it was not as if that immediately we knew that this is the guy who is Biju, or this is the guy who is, Manan and so on. Having got to know the numbers, it was a very painstaking work. We identified the person, because maybe they were using, aliases or pet names and so on and so forth. For instance, Biju is not his real name. His real name is Jiju. Jiju Janardhan. Yes, He's a club level player, and he has been playing for Ernakulam club. And it is the same club for which Srishant played. And he's a very close friend of Srishant. So he was a kind of a conduit between the bookies and Srishant.
Sir, Srishant ka, you didn't mention the money he got for throwing.
40 lakhs.
40 lakhs.
Sir, this side.
Sir, can I ask a question?
Sir, this side.
Sir.
You mentioned the underworld, sir. Who in the underworld, where are they based? And also, what are the stakes that this particular IPL season has attracted from bookies? Totally.
See, as far as underworld is concerned, it's a very loose term. The entire contours of the underworld connection I cannot reveal right now because investigations are going on. But suffice it to say that there are overseas connections, and we have definite proof and evidence that the underworld is involved.
Sir, are other players also involved? Apart from these three who have been arrested, are there other players also involved in this?
I said some time back that our investigations do not show any other player.
Sir, will you question team management of Rajasthan Royals at some point of time because they would be aware of this?
See, our investigations do not show that the conspiracy goes beyond the players and the bookies.
Sir, will you contact Enforcement Directorate? Because, see, it involves a lot of money, Hawala route, underworld, overseas transactions.
Well, we'll see how much money we are able to recover, and if need be, we'll contact the Income Tax Department, we'll contact the DRI, we'll contact the enforcement, as the case may be.
Sir, is the investigation as of now over, or you are? It's still ongoing investigation, and there can be more arrests and more people whose involvement will come up.
There will be more arrests.
Sir. Okay, hold on. Go.
We did not crack the BlackBerry message.
सर आपको मैं कुमार गजन आपको
सर कितना पैसा मिला था अंकित चौहान के पास? चंदीला को दिया गया था, अंकित चौहान के पास से कितना पैसा मिला था? How much money was recovered?
They have arrived. We'll check up how much money has been recovered. Any news? They have just arrived in Delhi. So we'll have to check up how much has been recovered, how much is to be recovered. Whether our team could carry out the searches of their rooms and their personal belongings and so on.
सर आपको नहीं लगता कि ये अरेस्टिंग में बहुत जल्दीबाजी हुई है? अभी आईपीएल के काफी सारे मैच बचे हुए हैं और अगर और लोगों को भी ट्रैप किया जाता तो और भी बड़ी मछलियां इसमें फंस सकती थी। इतनी जल्दबाजी क्यों दिखाई इनको गिरफ्तार करने में?
मैं तो सोच रहा था आप पूछेंगे कि आपने पहले ही मैच के बाद क्यों नहीं गिरफ्तार कर लिया।
ट्रैपिंग तो चल ही रही थी ना।
उसकी वजह है कि ये काफी दिन से अप्रैल के महीने से हम लोग ये सारे सर्वेलेंस का काम कर रहे थे और हमें सिर्फ 3 ही प्लेयर्स की शमूलियत सामने नजर आई। तो हमने इन तीनों प्लेयर्स को गलतियां जो करने दी और इसीलिए कल का मैच फॉर्चुनेटली अंकित चौहान, जिसके बारे में हमें मालूम था कि ये एक कॉम्प्रोमाइज प्लेयर है, हमने कल वाले मैच में वो खेला और उसने वो किया जो उसको करना था। तो उसके बाद हम लोगों ने सोचा कि अब तीनों के बारे में एविडेंस आ गया है, अब और कुछ आगे करने की जरूरत नहीं है और हम लोगों ने इसको अरेस्ट कर लिया।
So, a follow-up question, if I may. You said that more arrests are expected. Can you rule out that there will be any foreign players, any Australian players arrested? Are any under investigation or suspicion? And if you say there are more arrests, will they be cricketers or bookies?
No, the further arrests are going to be those of bookies, no more players, and your countrymen can rest in peace.
Sir, I have a supplementary question. You said Underworld, there were people from Underworld who were definitely involved into it.
Pardon me?
अंडरवर्ल्ड का जो कनेक्शन की आप बात कर रहे हैं कि देयर आर डेफिनेट लिंक्स. So, late Inspector Badri's death was also involved in the investigation of this case.
सुनाई नहीं पड़ा.
Sir, Badri's death, the late Inspector of Special Cell was also involved in its investigation. He is no more. He died under very tragic circumstances. Do you think the underworld has got to do anything?
In his death?
Is there any connection?
No, certainly not.
Sir, how many teams are involved in all this match fixing? Only Rajasthan Royal or some more teams?
Only Rajasthan Royals.
How many matches are fixed, sir? Only these 3?
How many?
Matches?
I told you 3 matches.
Only 3.
Sir, there was a... Thank you. Sir, Shubhajit from CNN. So there was a reported meeting between the masterminds and one of the players in Gurgaon. Was any such meeting took place, and who's the mastermind in this total game, sir?
Mastermind is sitting abroad.
In Dubai?
That I won't tell you. No, Gurgaon, I mean, we have no such indication.
Hi, sir, this is Priyank from...
Hello, sir. क्या सर इनको पैसा मिल चुका था या नहीं मिला था?
वो अभी हमने वो हमारी टीम आई है अभी लेके, उनसे डिटेल में बात नहीं हो पाई कि किसको पहले पकड़ा, किसको दूसरी
पैसा इनको मिल चुका था या अभी नहीं मिला था?
पैसा मिल चुका था दोस्त.
सर फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजैक्शन किस तरह से होती थी? क्या ये कैश देते थे उनको, प्लेयर्स को, बुकीज, और क्या हवाला के थ्रू भी जाता था, इनके अकाउंट्स में जाता था पैसा? किस तरह से फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजैक्शन ट्रेल एक बार थोड़ा सा समझा दीजिए हम.
Are you trying to suggest that they are being paid by check?
वही कैश में जाता था.
Cash.
Sir, hi sir, one supplementary question.
Sir, this side. Sir, are you ruling out the involvement of opponent teams in these matches? Because they could have played badly also, but they were prompt. In 3 balls, they scored 14 runs. So are you ruling out their involvement in this?
Whose?
Opponent teams, batsmen.
No. Batsman is ruled out. Batsman is ruled out because no connection between the bookies and the batsmen emerged at any stage of our surveillance.
Sir, the cop who died... of audio clippings which you have recovered?
Pardon me?
What is the duration of audio clippings which you have...
duration of?
Audio clippings.
Hundreds of hours.
Sir, the cop who died in last week, the cop who died in Gurgaon, was he part of your investigation team? For
Yes.
this entire operation?
Yes, in the beginning he was. But as I have clarified, answering to Mr. Pramod Singh of Pioneer, his death has nothing to do with this case.
Okay. Sir, how much money Srishant got in this deal?
No, Srishant delivered. No, but 13 was good enough for the bookies.
Sir, how much money Srishant got in this?
You see, it is when the bookie puts his money and he bets, he keeps a cushion, because as somebody rightly pointed out, it depends upon a number of things. Maybe the batsman is not able to take full advantage of the loose ball, and so if it is 14, it could be 13, as you've seen, Ankit Chavan gave 15. He had promised only 14.
Sir, did Srishant...
Yes, because it has also come to our notice that the bookies made crores in that deal.
Sir.
Unless you see, as an investigator, we cannot say anything unless there is a definite proof. So to say Dawood Ibrahim or to say Tiger Memon or to say Mohammad Dosa or X, Y or Z, it would be incorrect. There is no evidence, concrete evidence on the basis of which I can name any member of the underworld for sure. And also let me clarify that the names that are used while talking are more often than not assumed names.
Sir, did the bookies handed over money directly to Srishant? Sir, did the bookies hand over money directly to Srishant?
Sir, talking about Srishant, talking about Srishant, so was Srishant responsible for luring these two players into spot fixing? Was he responsible for that? Because these two kids, this Savan and Chandila, they are young players. So was Srishant responsible for asking them to join him in spot fixing?
No, these kind of deductions we don't make, and we cannot say he is a senior most, so he must be the leader and all. We don't have any such evidence. Pardon me? Today, where they will be kept?
Sir, did Srishant receive this money?
हाँ, उन तीनों को मालूम था एक दूसरे के बारे में। No, as I said, it is our investigation pertains not to match fixing. It pertains to spot fixing.
Last question.
हेलो सर, इधर सर आपके लेफ्ट में।
Sir, last question. Sir, I have a question. Sir, I have a question.
Jiju was the go-between.
Sir, there's a question. See, you have rightly accepted that there is international link, there is mafia link, there is bookies, there are punters, everyone is involved. It is an organized crime. Are you planning to put them under Makoka?
Yes.
Thank you.
सर, फर्स्ट इन तीनों प्लेयर्स में से सर एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन सर इन तीनों प्लेयर्स में से बुकीज ने किसको पहले कांटेक्ट किया था, या हु वाज किसने इनिशिएट किया था सर?
देखिए, सुनिए, आप एक बात समझने की कोशिश कीजिए। मान लीजिए हमने अपना काम आज शुरू किया, हाँ, तो इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि हमारे काम करने के पहले से कांटेक्ट नहीं चल रहा था या कॉन्वर्सेशन नहीं चल रहा था। हम तो कुछ और कर रहे थे, करते करते वी चांस अपॉन दिस, यू सी, एंड वी फाउंड दिस गोइंग ऑन।
Sir, one more question, sir. Sir, did the bookies directly handed over the money to Srishant? Sir, one question, sir. Did the bookies directly handed over the money to Srishant? You say if yes, it was held where?
I've already said there was a go-between who was Jiju, alias Biju.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
आपण बघतो आताची सगळ्यात महत्त्वाची बातमी दिल्लीच्या पोलीस आयुक्तांनी घेतलेली आताची एक पत्रकार परिषद आपण बघतो आहोत की कशा प्रकारे स्पॉट फिक्सिंग झालेलं होतं। राजस्थान रॉयल्सचे 3 खेळाडूंनी आतापर्यंत 11 बुकींना या संदर्भात अटक करण्यात आलेली आहे। पत्रकार परिषदेमध्ये आणखीन मुद्दे आणि काय काय घडामोडी घडतायत याचा पुन्हा एकदा भेटूयात एका ब्रेक नंतर। पहा फक्त IBN।